Walk car. This four-wheeled portable vehicle is made of carbon fiber and is no bigger than a weight scale. To set it in motion, you just have to stand on the platform. The device can accelerate to 10 miles per hour. You can turn by tilting the device, and to stop completely, the user must descend to the ground. The platform weighs just under 6.6 pounds and can travel for an hour without being recharged. It takes about 60 minutes to recharge the battery. Despite its compact size, the device is quite sturdy and can support a weight of more than 220 pounds. You can purchase this unusual vehicle for $1,280 at the manufacturer's official website. Picook Mini. This high-precision scale simultaneously analyzes 12 biometric parameters, including weight, fat percentage, water content in the body, and other necessary parameters. The device needs 3 seconds to scan the information. All data is automatically recorded in different special applications available for iOS and Android devices. In addition, Picook Mini could recognize its owner, so an occasional guest who wants to use the scale won't ruin the main user's progress. Another important advantage of this device is its compact size. The sides of the square scale measure 10 inches, so it won't take up much space, and it's perfect even in small apartments. It's also worth noting that the height of the Picook Mini is 0.8 inches. The device is made of high-quality plastic and can support loads of up to 330 pounds. LED lights can be seen even with low lighting, and the rounded edges make the scale as safe as possible for the owner. The price of this smart gadget is, however, unknown. FunShim. This affordable Chinese gadget can simultaneously load on an iPhone X, an Apple Watch, or any other QI-compatible device. This is an elongated oval carpet made of white plastic with Apple's signature style. FunShim has a power of 10 watts and it can be used to charge Android smartphones and other compatible devices. The inductive element for charging the smartphone is integrated into the body of the device itself, but the user must install a separate device to charge the smartwatch. For this purpose, under the FunShim cover there's a special slot as well as separate grooves for the cable. You can buy this wireless charging device for $30.